In the last episode, I made dough without getting my hands messy. But what did I do with that dough? Tune in and find out now. So I usually separate my dough into 3 portions. So I decided to make some more dough so I can separate both of them and have 6 portions. And then I flattened them out into flatbread, and here we are. All right, my hands did eventually get some flour on them just from pressing out the dough. But this is all just dry flour. There's no wet, sticky dough, and this washes right off. All right, we're gonna get our skillet on a medium-high heat, and we're gonna put our flatbread right on top. We're gonna let our flatbread toast on each side twice on a high heat, just to cook the outside before we move it right on top of the fire. So I'm trying to cook the outside surface of the flatbread before I put it on top of the fire, which then cooks the inside and causes it to puff up. The tricky part is getting these to puff up completely. Sometimes they only puff up halfway or partially. So it's a little bit of a technique. So I went ahead and put some amaranth and some mushrooms inside my flatbread. And I gotta say, this makes a very good sandwich. Did you like the video? Leave a thumbs up. Are you gonna try this at home? Comment down below. And please subscribe.